This message is transmitted by the request of the local police department. If you are hearing this, please stand by. This is not a test. An unidentified man has been roaming around the streets terrorizing several citizens. This man is capable of many things that a regular human cannot. To ensure your safety, lock all doors and windows. Take a flashlight with you and a battery-powered radio. Whatever you do, do not go outside. If you do, you will likely be arrested and questioned. Most importantly, try to stay calm at all times. This message is transmitted by the request of the local police department. 6 minutes ago, the identified man was reported of killing more than 12 people in your area. For your safety, make sure to grab a weapon of your choice. Do not call 911, you will most likely not have the call. The police are trying to apprehend or kill the beast. Please remain indoors at this time. This message is transmitted by the request of the local police department. That identified creature was reported to be SCP-096. He is capable of doing many things. Listen to these instructions carefully, for your safety and others. If you ever come eye to eye with the creature, do not go near. Run as fast as you can, like your life depends on it. This creature has many abilities, such as running at approximately 35 kilometers. It is 2.38 and tall. It has hands longer than an average male shoe, which is capable of catching you and easily killing you. Don't ever look at the creature. Avoid eye contact. Looking at the creature can easily attract attention and put you in serious risk. If you hear any kind of scream, get out of there immediately. Screams are the way of the creature's abilities of making you come towards you. Turn off all lights and electronics, and be as quiet as you can be. Creature's main purpose is killing people in a fit of rage.